When you look at your newborn baby, you may think he or she is just laying there, not doing much. But in fact, a lot of learning is going on all the time. New synapses are constantly forming in this all-important period of rapid brain growth. This miraculous process needs your support. To help the development of their brains, infants need adequate stimulation. Newborns' eyes and sight are not fully developed at birth. Therefore, their color perception is limited to mostly white, black, and shades of gray. As a result, babies love to look at high-contrast black and white patterns, which stand out in their blurry worlds, attracting their attention and helping them focus. In the first 3 months, babies can focus on objects that are 8 to 11 inches away. This is more or less the distance from their parents' faces while nursing or feeding. Vision rapidly improves thereafter. Place the black and white toys around 10 inches away from baby's face and gradually increase the distance as baby grows. After a few weeks, babies begin to follow moving objects. Slowly move a black and white toy in different directions while making sure baby's gaze is following the movement. Attractive images are a great way to extend tummy time. Tummy time is very important for baby's development from day one. It helps baby's back and chest muscles grow stronger, preparing them for rolling over and crawling. But practicing tummy time isn't easy for young babies and can sometimes get quite frustrating. Research has found that simple contrasting patterns attract baby's attention for longer periods of time. The circle image is very attractive and engaging. It will remind baby of your eyes. While reaching out to a black and white crinkly tail, your baby feels the textures and hears the crinkly sound it produces. Gradually, baby will notice that the action of touching is making the noise, which is an early understanding of cause and effect. Focus and attention are also an important part of cognitive development. When the baby is looking at a toy, you can point at it and name it, or gently tap it. This can help baby focus longer. Observe your baby. Is she looking a little restless? Is he turning his head away or seeming disengaged? If so, your little one might be a little overstimulated. You can remove some of the toys from the Jiminy's rings to help baby feel more comfortable. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy playtime with your newborn.